our center for our Harvest Festival. We're very, very pleased to be able to present this wonderful exhibit for the Harvest Festival. It is here until October 10th, and it is called Autumn Melodies, a centenary celebration of Peking Opera Master Chen. And today, we are very, very pleased to welcome William Lau, who is part of the Little Pear Garden Collective. And he is going to do a wonderful demonstration for us. We're very happy to have him here. And hopefully we'll be able to answer all of your questions afterwards. And I'd just like to give you a round of applause for today.
Thank you, Suzanne. She actually did a lot of work mounting this beautiful exhibition. So I'm going to actually tell you a little bit about the history of Chinese opera first, and then introduce you to the artistry of Master Chen Yanqiu. And then afterward, I will be showcasing some of the very details construction of Peking opera, including different character roles, including singing, dancing, and costume and everything. So it will be a very insightful, informative session. Hope you like it. Now, in terms of Peking opera, it's actually over just about 200 years old. They say, oh, how come it's so short? But it's not that short when you consider the origin of Chinese theater, because that started actually in the Tang Dynasty. And apparently, during that particular period, the emperor had the first professional training of dancer and singer in his pear garden. This is why we call ourselves the Little Pear Garden, to pay tribute to this particular origin. And afterward, professional theater performers call themselves children of the Pear Garden.